Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a brand new, fresh from the crate, 2023 Yamaha YZF-R7. This sport bike is brand new and will be prepped to go once it has been sold. So let's take our walk around it and we'll show it to you today. This R7 does come with ABS. I believe they've changed the name of the paint scheme on this one this year. I thought they used to be called Ravens, but this year they've called them Performance Black. Alright, this brand new 2023 Yamaha YZF-R7 is fresh out of the crate and will be prepped to go once it has been sold. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.